continue our lesson by solving the question on the board. So in the question, I read, in the diagram, angle PQT, the angle PQT, which is this exterior angle, is 200 degrees. Angle TQR, TQR is 32 degrees. So you realize that the point Q is this point. It's not the angle Q here. The point Q is for this point. And then angle QRS, which is this exterior angle here, is equal to X. Find the value of X. So in this question, we could see that this line is parallel to this line. The line QP is parallel to the line RS. So let's try and solve this question. So what we need to do is, maybe we need to draw this again. Let me just do a simplified one here. This is parallel. We have a straight line here, another straight line here. This is the angle X. This is the point R. This is parallel to this, and this is S. So we have 32 degrees. This is the point Q for this point, and then this is 200 degrees. So let's try and draw another parallel line here. Okay, this is also parallel to this. So this is parallel to this. So what do we realize? So over here, I know this angle, but I don't know this angle. So we can get this angle first, which is the angle. This is T, Q, and this is what? P, right? So let's get this angle first. So the angle should be angle RQP, okay, or PQR, the angle PQR. So we can say that sum of angles at a point, this is a point, the point Q is 360. So sum of angles at a point, so you can say 200 plus 32 plus the angle is PQR. Angle PQR is equal to 360 degrees. What's the reason? Sum of angles at a point sum up to 360 degrees. So we can say that this whole angles, okay, is the angle at a point. So let's find the angle PQR. So we can say that angle PQR is equal to 360 degrees. Take this to the right, we have minus 32 and then minus 200. So the angle PQR is equal to, so when we subtract all that from 360, we are going to have, this will be 232, 360 minus 232. We have angle PQR to be equal to 360 minus 32 minus 200, which becomes 360 minus 232, which becomes angle PQR is now equal to, we have 128 degrees. So this angle is now 128 degrees. So if we should get the whole of this angle, okay, we have 128 plus 32. Now let's solve for the angle X. After solving, our angle PQR is equal to 128 degrees. Now let's try and solve for the angle X. Now we said this is parallel to this. Now if this is parallel to this angle, okay, and this angle are co-interior angles or supplementary angles. So assuming we have two parallel lines and then a transversal, and this angle is 40 degrees and this is 140. This angle will be 40 because they add up to 180, and this will be 140. Again, this will be the smallest angle, so 40 degrees, and this will be 140, and this will be 40, and then this will be 140. We said co-interior angles, which is these two angles, add up to 180. The same way this and this also add up to 180. They are supplementary angles. So this angle, because this is also parallel to this, and this is a transversal, okay? It means this angle plus this angle, they are co-interior angles or supplementary angles. So they sum up to what? 180. So we can say that angle PQR, okay? Angle PQR plus angle QRS. Angle QRS is equal to 180 degrees. Then we use co-interior angles or supplementary angles. They sum up to what? 180. So PQR was given as 128. So we have 128 plus QRS, angle QRS, is equal to 180 degrees. So we shall have angle QRS to be equal to 180 degrees minus 128 degrees. So what is the angle QRS going to be? Angle QRS is going to be 180 minus 128, which is going to give us 52 degrees. Now, if angle QRS is giving us 52 degrees, now this is a point which has this as x and this as 52. So we can conclude that the sum of angles at a point add up to what? 360. So angle QRS plus x is equal to what? 360 degrees. Then we use sum of angles at a point add up to 360. So we shall have x to be equal to 360. We have 360 minus angle QRS was given as 52. So x will be equal to 308 degrees. So with this, we have been able to solve for the value of x. I will leave some more examples for you to try it on your own. Until then, next time, bye bye.